Hi, lovely people. I'm the Lazy Nigerian Mom, and you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting us, you're welcome to the family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and also the notification bell. So, in the spirit of the just past World Bread Day, I promised I would share the banana bread recipes I make at home. There's something for everyone. I already shared with you how I make the low-fat version. In today's video, we're showing you how to make banana bread without sugar. Please make sure you watch to the end so you find out how to store the banana bread for future use. So first things first, you're going to need bananas. Of course, it's banana bread, so you're going to need bananas, very ripe bananas, just like mine is. The other one that looks brownish color has been in the refrigerator, has been frozen, which is why it's that color. So I'll be washing and mashing my bananas. Can leave it chunky or well blended. It depends on your taste and style. So we're going to break our eggs separately so you don't add the bad eggs into the good one. At this juncture, you can go on ahead and just bake your banana bread in the oven. But I'm thinking of adding some nuts. I'm going to add some chopped almonds into it. And I'm going to add some chocolate, but I ran out of chocolate. And I made some orders online, but I'm yet to receive them for some reason. So I'll be using chocolates from my Ferrero collection. You can use any chocolate chips if you have around, or even chocolate balls, and get some chocolate shavings and use instead. So I'll be chopping them up and sprinkle them on the surface. I'm not adding the wafer part in it. You can add that if you choose to. It's your food. You can do what you want. You can freestyle it, you know? It's your food. Do what pleases you, okay? So I'm just going to chop them up and sprinkle this on the cake batter. So now we're done. I'm going to take them to the oven to bake at 180 degrees for 45 to 15 minutes. You can wrap in a cling film or put in Ziploc bag and store in the fridge for a week or in the freezer for a month or months. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. I'll be posting other videos on banana bread. Stay kind, like and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye and take care.